Okay, so now that we're in the access control software, in the first access software, this is what it looks like. You are able to go into the properties. You can specify the first access server IP address. This is so that a client connection, so like a computer on the network, knows where the first access server is. That's how it'll know, by pointing it to the appropriate IP address and port. If you're installing the first access software on the same computer where the first access server is, by default it finds it, it puts it here. That's what I have here on my laptop. We have an enrollment scanner option. You're able to buy a USB reader, plug it in here, and this way when you go to add a card, you don't have to type in the number, you just present the card to that USB reader. We have an option for retention of history. You're able to use the slider to increase how much audit you want to keep. The default is 3 months, but you can change that. What we find is that, and this is like a general thought here. We find that when something happens, it's usually like within a matter of days. So if there's a break-in, if there's something got missing, it's within like a matter of days that people find out. And so they don't go far back. But if you have a server with a hard drive capacity that allows for it, you're able to retain more data. You can set the daylight standards time in here so that the panel will automatically adjust for that even if the server is disconnected. You're able to select the date format, day, month, year, month, day, year, year, month, day. You can set up your email server here in case of an alarm. You can have an email generated, so you set that up here. Your holidays. This is where you tell it which set to use. And in the advanced version, we support Active Directory as well.